Jai Hind to all of you, and also welcome to our YouTube channel, All Purpose Tutorials. As you can see, the title of this video is What to Do When You Got Stuck in an Individual Lecturate. So, actually, individual lecturate is a very important part of the SSB because as uh, as you can see that the name of the test is individual lecturate, so you have to do that test individually, and individually means it is going to show all of your qualities, all of your weaknesses in that 3 minutes to so try not to show your weaknesses or work on your weaknesses so that you can test your so that you can clear your individual lecturate. So now here are some points that what the cadets deal with when they give the individual lecturate for the first time. So the first point is what to do when you get nervous. See, when you are giving the individual lecturate for the first time and you are not having any experience about the individual lecturate, then it is obvious that you can get nervous there, because you have to speak continuously for 3 minutes in front of so many cadets there, and you cannot speak something wrong there because everyone there knows about almost everything, because like you only they are also in that interview to become an officer. So if you are nervous, then it shows that you are having a lack of confidence, and confidence is a it is an officer like quality, and it is a very much important quality that an officer has. So first try not to be nervous, and then if you are nervous, then try to focus on your topic. Just try to focus on your topic. Just try to remember the points of your topic, and just start speaking there, because if you will not speak and if you will get nervous, then after some time your nervousness will get changed to blankness. You will get all blank, and you will then not you would be no, you would not be able to remember that what you were speaking or what your topic was. It happens sometimes. So just start speaking there, and just speak it confidently what you are speaking. Now what to do when you get blank. Now it is better if you deal with your nervousness before it changes to blankness, because when you get blank, then you would not be able to speak there. So what you have to do then, just take a 5-second pause, only 3 to 5-second pause, and just try to remember the points, and just try to remember your topic and the important points of your topic, and then just start speaking those points. Just define those points there, because if you will only remember those points only, then you can speak there for 3 minutes. So try to do this. Try to remember what your topic was, and what were the important points that you made before coming to give that individual lecturate. Now what to do when you actually forget what you were speaking about. Now if you will forget that what you were speaking about, then your individual lecturate you will get fail in your individual lecturate, because then you would not be able to speak if you will forget that what you were speaking about. So what you have to do there is, because the individual lecturate is only of 3 minutes, so you take a 5-minute pause, and you just apologize first that you you have or if you do not want to apologize, it's your choice. And then just try to remember what your topic was. See, getting blank and forgetting all the thing, these two things are a little bit different, because getting blank is you just get blank literally, and you do not remember anything, but you remember a little bit of things like what was your topic and what were the points. But when you forget that what you were speaking about, when you forget this thing, then it is a really big problem for you. So so what you have to do is, before going to an SSB interview, just work on these things, because sometimes what happens, if you are having a good presence of mind, then you can do it there only. You would be able to manage the situation. But if you know that you are having these weaknesses, you lack somewhere, you lack in these things, then work on these things before your SSB interview only, because you are going to get only 3 minutes there, and in 3 minutes you cannot change yourself, or you cannot uh, build these things in yourself. So just practice a lot for these things. Now, what to do when you do not know anything about topics given to you? Now, before going to the individual lecturate, you get to choose from the topics that are 3 to 4 topics there are given to you, and you have to choose from those topics. But what if you do not know anything about those topics? So first, what you have to do there is, because you get a very little time to because you will get a very little time to prepare for your topic. So first, choose the topic which you think that easy among all the topics that are given to you. Then just try to prepare, or just try to know the important points about that topics, just the important points about that topic, and try to choose the most easiest one, because you already do not know anything about the topic that is given to you. And if you will choose the hard topic, then it would be very difficult for you to speak there in the individual lecturate for 3 minutes. But if you will choose a easy topic that you think is easy for you, and you will just prepare the important points, that these are the key points of this topic, then you would be able to speak there for 3 minutes. So you can do it like this, or you should prepare well before SSB interview, because you should not go unprepared in an SSB interview, because there is a lot of competition there. So just try not to do this. Do not waste time anywhere. Just try to put all your time, put all your efforts in these things only where you lack, because SSB is all about assessing your analyzing your weaknesses. Introspection, SSB is all about. Introspection means analyzing yourself, analyzing your weakness, then working on them, and then you should not be having any weaknesses there. Now, what to do when you spoke something wrong and you come to know about it later after some time? So what happens uh, sometimes you get a topic about which you know a very little, but and then what happens, you start speaking about that topic, and then after some time you start speaking wrong about that topic, because you do not know properly about that topic. Then that's why you do not come to know that you were speaking wrong, but about some time, sorry, but after some time you will come to know. So what you have to do, you just apologize there, because I don't think that there is an option for it, because in the army if you do a mistake, then you have to apologize for it first. So just apologize for it, that you spoke something wrong, and then try to try to balance that situation, and try to cover what you have spoken wrong there. Now, all the best to all of you for your upcoming SSB interviews. I hope my videos will help you all. Thanks for watching this video, and if you think that we can put more effort in our videos, then please do tell us in the comments. We are definitely uh, going to do the things and take the suggestions that you will give us in the comments. And if you like the video, then please like it and share it as much as possible, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to it yet.